Hello, our art friend. Today in Kiddy Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw SpongeBob. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. We are going to start by drawing the mouth. Draw a curved line to make the top of the mouth. Draw a curved letter V to complete the mouth. Inside, draw 2 teeth coming down from the top of the mouth. And a heart shape at the bottom for the tongue. Draw a curved line right under the mouth for the chin. A letter C at the top right corner of the mouth. And its mirror image on the other side to make the cheeks, and decorate them with 3 dots on each cheek for the freckles. Then draw the nose over the mouth in the center. Draw the right eye, a big circle partially hidden behind the cheek and the nose. And another 2 smaller circles inside for the iris and the pupil. Repeat the same steps to make the other eye, also partially hidden behind the cheek. Color the pupils, leaving white spots to show light reflection.
2 hours later.
Draw 3 eyelashes on each eye. And a small curve over each eye for the eyebrows. Draw a square around the face features using wavy lines to make SpongeBob's face.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Make small circles in the face to make the sponge holes. Make an incomplete rectangle attached to the bottom of the face to make the body. Draw a small letter V attached to the bottom of the face, an upside down V attached to it, and another letter V at the end to finish the tie. Make a white letter V on each side of the tie to make the shirt's collar. Draw a horizontal line in the middle of the body to separate the shirt and the pants. Another horizontal dashed line to make details in the pants. Draw 2 lines coming down from one side of the body at the bottom, the inner line being longer, and connect them at the bottom. Draw 2 longer lines closer to each other, coming down from the shorts. Repeat the same steps to make the other leg. Draw SpongeBob's funny shoes. Draw two lines coming out from the side, the lower line being longer, and connect them together to finish the sleeve. Draw two longer lines closer to each other, coming out from the sleeve to make the arm. Repeat the same steps on the other side to make the other arm. Draw a curved line coming out from the arm. Draw 3 fingers. Then extend a small line and finish the hand by drawing the thumb. Make a small line in the middle of the palm. Repeat the same step on the other side to make the other hand. I'm ready! Now you can draw SpongeBob! Now grab the color of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.